Hi everyone, my name is Tasibel Oberdeo. Together with my groupmates, we are from a group 1, and today we are going to tackle about TPAC. I know you're wondering what is a TPAC, but it is a technological, pedagogical, content, knowledge of TPAC. TPAC words to covers the learning of a student and the teaching of the teacher using the technology. As you can see, every one of us are using technology, not just in educations but also in other works. That is make the technologies more essentials for these generations because we are depending on technologies to work with us. According to Daring et al. 2009, it emphasized the dynamic nature of TPAC and involving multifaceted rather than static. In 2006, according to Tonya Meshera and Mateo Collers and Michigan State University, they identified that it has a primary form of knowledge using the technologies. First is it is a content knowledge, which is a CK, or pedagogical knowledge, or a PK, and technological knowledge, or a TK. That are the three identified from two researchers. Let's move on to example. To further understand what is a TPAC, here is the example. I believe that we are aware about LMS because in the University of Mindanao, in our school, we are using this in our learning, the source of our learning. LMS is Learning Management System. The teachers use LMS and also the student. If the teacher is delivering a content of the topic in LMS or Learning Management System, the teacher is used CK. What is the CK? It is a content knowledge using a technology to understand. But in TPK, we can have content knowledge and technological knowledge be united. For the past example that I give, that it talks about content knowledge. In the LMS, they can also presented digital medium. What are the digital medium? It can be video presentations or a class discussion, so the teacher are just recording themselves, or it can be a games. If the teacher is knowledgeable enough to implement that in the class, their knowledge about technologies is level up. The outcomes will be TCK. What is TCK? It is technological content knowledge because we are using the two primary forms of a TPAC, which is the content knowledge and technological knowledge. If they are united together, it can be a TCK. Why is TPAC is important in education? It is important because we can benefit the technologies through the learning of the students and the knowledge of the teachers. In the class, for example, in the classroom, the teachers is using technologies or PowerPoint presentation to present in the class. TPAC is essential for the learners because to think that they implement LMS, it can be the class strategies of the teachers to enhance the learning of the student using technology. As you can see in these pictures, it is a TPAC diagram. The three circle color over here is the main center of the diagram. It represents to understand us how to teach the technology using these three technological knowledge. Center in this diagram, as you can see there, the PK, pedagogical knowledge, the content knowledge, and the technological knowledge. It points out how to understand the use of technologies and teach the right concept way to enhance the student learning experience. To further understand this diagram or this picture, my three group mates were going to discuss to us how or what is the purpose of this in TPAC.